Okay, so I'm going to show you how to refund an order. So you just find the order, you can search for it, or you can click the latest one at the top if it's the most recent order you've received that you want to process. And it's going to mark it as processing when you first receive the order, processing because you're either making the product or you're pulling it from inventory. In this case, we're going to basically refund it. So you scroll down and click refund, and then the amount that we paid was 19 cents. So we're going to, I guess, change the quantity to 1, and manually. And then I get an email letting me know that it's been refunded. Thank you for your Team Arrow Store demo. That's the company name. Has been refunded. There are no more details. There are more details. So they see that the quantity's changed and the total is 0. So that basically kind of balances out the order, and then it logs the notes over here for that process. Now this did require manual because I don't have this particular site set up to use the API. An API is that's how we always set up our carts, but if it was using the API, it would actually send the website. It would send notification to PayPal to refund the money, and then send the notification back to the website to communicate and send everything out saying it was refunded. You would have to do nothing more than what I just did. You wouldn't have to go into PayPal and refund it. But if you've received a check, you'd have to do that manually. You'd send them the money, and you'd have to let them know in a note, which should be over here. So, but in this case, it's just refunding it, and then you would process it over on PayPal if you didn't have it set up through the API, which is what we always set people up with an API. So that process is different for you.